This tutorial guides you through creating and verifying an account in the GES Lesson Planner. Switch to the GES Lesson Planner Netlify app website to begin account setup. Click on Start Free to initiate the free account creation process. Click Create Account instead to proceed with creating a new account. Click the email field labeled teacher@example.com to enter your email address. Enter your email address in the email field. Click the phone number format option. Enter your phone number in the provided field. Click the invitation code field. You will be required to enter an invitation code. Enter your invitation code in the designated field. Contact your referrer if you don't have an invitation code. Click Send OTP to phone to receive a verification code on your phone. Click the At least 6 characters field to set your password requirements. Enter your password, ensuring it meets the minimum character requirement. Click the Re-enter password field to confirm your password. Re-enter your password to confirm it matches the original. Click the OTP input field to enter your verification code. Enter the one-time password OTP code received on your phone. Click Create Account to finalize your account registration. Next is teacher onboarding. These details will help customize your lesson plan. Click the Name input field labeled to enter your full name. Enter your full name in the name field. Click the School input field labeled to enter your school name. Enter your school's name in the provided field. Click the School District input field. Enter your school's district. These information are used to customize your lesson plan. Click the Class option labeled to add another class. Click the Class SIS to specify class details. Enter the class size. Example 30 in the input field. Click the Add Class button to include the class in your profile. Click the class option labeled B1 to select it again for additional class. Click the class option labeled B8 to add another class. Click the number 42 to specify details for the selected class. Enter the class size as 35 for the new class. Click the Add Class button to add this class to your profile. Click Finish Setup to complete your account configuration. Click the profile icon to access your user profile. Click the Profile Options icon to view additional settings. Next, let's generate our first lesson plan. To generate a lesson plan, you will first need a scheme of work. The scheme of work guides how the lesson plan is generated. Click Tools to open the Tools menu for lesson planning. Click Scheme of Work to view and manage your teaching schemes. Click the Class option labeled to choose the class you want to prepare your scheme for. Click Generate Scheme from AI to create a teaching scheme automatically. Click View Full to see the complete scheme of work details. Click the Tools icon to access the Tools options. Click Lesson Plan to view and edit your lesson plans. Click the Lesson Plan icon to access detailed lesson planning features. Click Term 3 to select the third term for planning. Click the Date field to choose the date the term begun. This is needed to automatically fill your week ending. Click Week Ending. April 24th, 2026 to view the weekly summary. Select the class, subject, and week you want to generate the lesson note for. Click to pick the appropriate scheme. Schemes are automatically matched. Click Generate Lesson Plan to create your lesson plan based on the selected scheme. Wait for the system to communicate with the AI servers. After generation is successful, review the lesson details. Click the PDF icon to download the lesson plan as a PDF document. You have successfully created and verified your account in the GES Lesson Planner. Additionally, you have set up your profile, added classes, and generated detailed lesson plans for your teaching schedule.